Welcome to Majestic Tourist Places.
Yes.
We have a cool thing for you to see today. We'll be right back with you.
See you soon, travelers.
So we're here at Saugatuck, and we have this building that's so cool.
Sunday in the park.
And so what it
With
was,
George Seurat.
I guess it was a restroom they were going to tear down. They said, well, if we tear it down, you know, it's going to be gone. So I tell you what, we'll build a painting on it. That way nobody can ever tear it down.
And really, doesn't one need a beautiful bathroom?
It's just a restroom in the middle of the town here, so people use. But it has a thing that they come out here and they keep restoring it over and over and over again.
It's a delightful little town too, with many artistic places inside.
So you found this right downtown in Saugatuck, Michigan, and there it is. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Got more of these things coming for you. Thank you.
See you soon, travelers.
Keep watching Majestic Tourist Places.